you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Whitey, come here. Get over here, buddy. Whitey, come, Whitey. Whitey, come here.
Oh, there it is.
It was kind of dark, another misty dusk. Came from a tangle down the road. And I tried to remember everything you told me so. I had to decide which way to go. Was I or in a hunter's dream? 'Cause the moment of truth was here and now. I felt his touch, I felt his guiding hand. The buck was mine forevermore. Because it went there, I'll walk down these trails again.
Speckles. I said there's Speckles, the lion dog. God, we could have got a shot off that at Hunch On.
I've been itching to take a shot.
Alright, take a quick look at this in slow motion as I climb up to the tree. Right now I'm about 2.5 to 3 feet away from the lion. I'm trying to get the perfect shot. I end up having to lay down on my side to do so. As soon as my left shoulder hits the snow, the lion snaps his head around and makes deadly eye contact with me. I realize that's trouble. I snap back out of the way real quick, and the dog takes the brunt of the attack there. What this actually did is created a perfect shooting lane for me to hit him through the lungs. And in reaction, he goes after the dog, bites his neck, claws him, throws him, and flips him down the mountain. The lion sees one area of opportunity for escape, and he takes it. He only makes it another 20 yards before he expires. All right, now the work begins.
Yeah.
Yeah.